we're kicking off Memorial Day weekend. It's finally upon us. That means everybody's going to be hanging out in their backyards by the grill this weekend. We have one of my favorite members of the culinary team here. This is Grant. Now, Grant is normally out here because he's an amazing baker, but today he's going savory with one of my favorite ingredients, corn on the cob.
Yes. Right.
Now get this, Grant's gonna show us not one, but two great dips to celebrate with this weekend.
Yeah.
And they're both off the grill, no?
Yeah, we're making two versions of chip dip, and we're gonna do them both on the grill. Today we're working with Cape Cod, so we're gonna make some really great dips.
Cape Cod potato chips, people.
Yes, that's right.
I grew up in Cape Cod when I was super little. I went to Mashpee Central School for kindergarten and first grade. I know me some chips and I know me some Cape Cod. And I'm very excited because they have the waved ones now, right?
Yeah.
The ridgy,
yes.
bumpy ones.
The waves.
Waves, get it, Cape Cod?
Yes.
All right.
All right, so our first one, we're gonna make two all-American dips today. The first one, you can't get any more American than sour cream and onion dip, right?
Sour cream and onion dip.
Right?
Yes, please.
So we're gonna grill up our sour cream and onion dip today by taking a bunch of scallions. You have them right there.
Yep.
6 of those. We're gonna dress them with some olive oil. And
Throw them on the grill.
Throw them onto a hot grill. And the reason I love these, especially for Memorial Day, is because your grill's already hot. You're already outside grilling up all the meats and the chicken and the
Exactly.
thing.
You don't want to go inside just to make the dip.
Exactly. So we're
Bring it
gonna
on
grill
down
up
here.
our dips today. You char up your scallions. Look at those, they're nice and charred and delicious. And then just cut off those ends because we're gonna actually puree it, so you don't have to really chop them up too
Gotcha.
much.
You're just going to trim off the root.
Right. So as all good sour cream and onion dips start, a little bit of sour cream, and by a little bit, I mean a whole container of it. You have to, right?
These guys can go in, yep.
Throw those guys in. Sour cream goes in. Would you mind doing a little lemon zest for me?
Sure, baby.
We're gonna
With some
do
garlic?
Yep. We're gonna do the zest and the juice of a lemon because you need a little bit of acidity in there.
You need salt and acid in pretty much everything.
Yeah. There we go. And then let me grab our salt and pepper down here.
Garlic, yes?
Yep. Clove of garlic goes in. Some salt, a tiny bit more salt. Why not?
Whatever.
And?
Grant and I love salt and fat. You do what you want in your house with your salt.
This is how we dip, right?
This is how we dip it.
Ooh, got some on my eyes. It's all right. It's all right. I can still see. That's why I have 2 eyes. It's not working right now. All right, so we're gonna pop this on the top. Oops, it's already going. And you just puree that up until it gets nice and smooth and delicious. And then I like to put it into a bowl like we have over here.
You want me to use this cute little red one again?
Yeah, use that cute one.
And then garnish it with the chives, right?
We're gonna stir the chives in.
Okay.
Pop it into the fridge and let it chill for a little bit so it gets nice and thick again because it's kind of warmed up from those warm scallions. So you can stir those guys in.
I get you.
And then I have one back here that's already done for us. This is our first of 2 delicious all-American dips.
Yum!
That's our sour cream and onion, our grilled sour cream and onion dip. And I'm just gonna top that with some more chives right on top.
Yes, baby!
Check that out.
All right, what's next? Let's keep it moving.
I mean, I would like to taste this one first.
Go get to work. You can taste at the end, Grant.
I wanted to do it now.
We have very famous people waiting in the wings. Let's go.